Hi everybody, good morning. All right, so today we are going to continue with question 5. Okay, all right, let's read the question first. There are 6 boys and 2 girls at a birthday party. Each of them receives 3 sweets. How many sweets do the children receive? Okay, so here, this is quite similar to yesterday's question. All right, so where you have groupings. All right, so 6 boys and, all right, this is very important. All right, so and means at, okay? 2 girls at a birthday party. So boys and girls are referring to children, okay? So you have 6 boys plus 2 girls, that's 8 children all together, okay? So each of them receives 3 sweets. All right, so each means one of the child, all right, one child receive 3 sweets. Okay, so how many sweets do the children receive? So you have here, okay, one unit represent one child. So 1 unit represent one child, and one child receive 3 sweets. Okay, each of them receive 3 sweets. So one child receive 3 sweets. You have a total of 8 children. So you're supposed to draw out 7 more. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more, and that's 7. Okay, so you have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. Okay, so that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children altogether. So how many sweets in total? So that's a question mark. Okay, right, so draw in your 3 lines. Write down your keyword, and that's sweets. Okay, now, so one group refers to one child, so that's 8 children. That means 8 group of 3, and that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 24 sweets. How many sweets do the children receive? So the children receive 24 sweets. Okay, all right, then you just check your answers, the numbers. So it's 6 boys, 2 girls. 6 plus 2 gives you 8 each. So one of the child gets 3 sweets, so that's 8 times 3, that's 24. Numbers correct, transfer correct, unit is sweets. You check your work. Okay, right, so you're done with question 5. All right, let's take a look at question 6. Okay, a snail is climbing up a wall which is 21 meters high. Every day it climbs up 5 meters and slips down 2 meters at night. How many days will it take the snail to reach the top of the wall? All right, so here, a few things you have to note. Now, this snail climbed up a wall, and the wall is 21 meters high. So imagine I have this, okay? I actually put in 21 cubes for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there's 21 cubes here, okay, to represent your 21 meter high wall. Okay, so this is your wall, that is the 21 meter, which is represented by the 21 cubes. Okay, right, so next, every day the snail, it refers to the snail, climbs up 5 meter and slips down 2 meter. So climb 5 meter, however it slips down 2 meter at night. Okay, how many days will it take the snail to reach the top? Okay, so I show you this way. All right, so let's take a look at this. Now every day the snail climbs up, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, right? So 5 meter, that's 5 meter. However, the snail did not stays at this 5 meter, because at night it slips down 2. So that's 1. He goes back 2 meter from the 5, right? So every day he climbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, after the 5, right, it slips down 2. So 5 slips down from the 5, it slips down 2. So that means it will be at 3 here. Okay, so in other words, 5 meter take away 2 will be at 1, 2, 3, at 3. Okay, so every day the snail doesn't climb 5 meter, but it ends up climbing only 3 because it slips down 2 at night. Do you understand? All right, so you have to take 5, take away 2 gives you 3 meters. So every day the snail actually climbs 3 meters. Okay, got it? So let's do this. Okay, let's try again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At night it slips 2 from here. So slips 2, 1, 2, so it remains at 3. Okay, so the next day it climbs back from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it slips down 2. 1, 2. So it ends up here. Okay, so I put another stickers here. Okay, let's do this again. From 3, so here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slip 2. So 1, 2. So it is at here, 3. Okay, so that's 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here first it's at 3 meter, then it's here at 6 meter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then the next day he climbs up again at 5 meter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but slip 2, so goes back to 2, 1, 2, so it's here. Okay, I take another sticker. So slip here, right? So here. So here 6, so 7, 8, 9. So here is 9 meter. Okay. Right, so you continue counting. So you will have from here, so that's another 5 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip 2 more. 1, 2. It goes back 2. So it will be at this side here. So that will give you. So I put in the sticker here. So that's 9. So 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 meter. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip 2, 1, 2. So it will be here. There you are. So 12. So here 13, 14, 15. Alright, so here is 15. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip 2. So that's 1, 2. Alright, so it will be here. Yep. Okay, so it will be 16, 17, 18. So that's 18. And it will be another 3 more here because you're actually counting in. Can you see? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and the last one will be 21 meters. Right? So how many days is that? So you will have here 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 days. Okay, so you have 7 days to reach, for the snail to reach the top of the wall. Okay, now how do you write it in equation, right, for this one? So as you can see, you are actually counting not in 5 but in 3s. Okay, so remember, 5 meter climbs up, 2 meters slip down, so the snail actually climbed only 3 meters. Okay, so how do you do this in the working? So what you can do is you can actually draw this if you want to, or you can just write down as first step will be the number of days, the number of meters. All right, so it slips, so it will be climb, actually 5 minus 2, and that gives you 3. So each day 3 meters. Okay, so what you do is you can actually draw it here if you want to. 1 day 3 meters. The day is being represented by 1 unit. So 1 day 3 meters. Okay. Now, do you know the number of days? You don't, right? So, but you know that there are altogether, the height is 21 meter. So the number of days will be here. You will know. Okay, so 1 day, this is 1 day, 3 meters, 21 meters, how many days? Okay, so here will be 21 divided by 3, and that gives you 7, like what we indicated here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days. Okay, so statement. How many days will it take the snail to reach the top? The snail will take 7 days to reach the top of the wall. Stop. Okay, everyone? So here you have your NTUC. So numbers, check. 5, slip 2, so 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Okay, so total height is 21 21 divided by 3 meters, and that gives you 7 days. Okay? So numbers correct, transfer is done, unit, days, and check your answers. Okay? So that's for question 6. Is everybody okay? Alright. Now let's move on to question 7. Okay. A centipede is crawling up a slippery wall which is 32 meters high. Every day it crawls up 6 meters and slips down 2 meters at night. How many days will it take the caterpillar to reach the top of the wall? Can you see that this question is quite similar to the one on to the question 6, right? So let's read the question again. A centipede is crawling up a slippery wall which is 32 meters high. So the wall is 32 meters high. Now every day, it refers to the centipede, right? So every day the centipede crawls up 6 meters. But does it stay at 6 meters? No, it slips down. Very important. Slips down 2 meters at night. So, remembering from our question 6, okay, this means that actually it doesn't stay at 6. So you have to take away the 2 because it slips at 2, right? So the answer is 4. Actually the centipede only crawls up 4 meters and not 6 meters because it slips down 2 meters at night. So 6 take away 2 will give you 4. How many days will it take the centipede to reach the top? Okay, so what we do is we draw our days. So one day we know that it's 4 meters and not 6. So one day is 4 meters. Right, so now we know the height of the wall is 32 meters high. So this is one day. So how many days will the centipede take to crawl up 32 meters? Alright, so here, first step, we show our subtraction. So here will be crawls 6 take away 2, so it's 4 meters. Okay, then you take your 32 meters high divided by 4 meters that is climbed by the centipede, crawls up by the centipede each day. Alright, so 32 divided by 4 will give you 8. Alright, so the centipede takes 8 days to reach the top. Okay, so here the centipede will take 8 days to reach the top. Okay, right, so do your NTUC. The numbers 6 meters crawl up, 2 meters slip, so 6 take away 2 gives you 4 meters. So actually the centipede crawls only 4 meters. The height of the wall is 32 meters high. So 32 divided by 4 meters every day the centipede takes to crawl up. So 32 divided by 4 will give you 8 days. So the centipede will take 8 days to reach the top. So numbers correct. Transfer. Right, so here transfer is right. Unit is days. And check your answers. Okay, is everybody okay? All right, so I see you again the next time. Okay, bye.